So mint. It's completely different than just the pipe off.
I know. I mean, that sounds better than the Falcon.
Yeah.
That's got rasp to it, too.
It's got both throaty and raspy. I don't understand.
I think I like yours more for rasp, though.
Oh, mine's by far the raspiest. Friggin' Mazda for the win.
But yours is technically straight pipe. He's still got 2 cats and a resonator.
I still have a resonator. I don't have a cat. Yeah.
Take his resonator off, and then be straight pipe. I'm the only one with a legit straight pipe. It sounds like a Honda.
Sounds like a good Honda. It's weird. Don't you dare hit me. Grab it. Yep. That is mint.